Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Friends, today we learn about cathode ray tube CRT. This is an important topic, friends. Let's learn now. A cathode ray tube CRT is the heat of oscilloscope. It is a vacuum tube of a special geometrical shape and converts an electrical signal into visual one. A cathode ray tube makes available plenty of electrons. Need diagram. Let's see need diagram, friends. First of all, electrogun horizontal deflection plates, electron beam, phosphor coated screen, connector pins, focusing system, vertical deflection plates. This is the neat diagram, friends. Components of CRT. Electron gun. Electron gun generates negativity charge electrons. Electron gun consists of cathode and heating filament. When heat is supplied to cathode by a heating filament, its electron become loose and gets emitted from cathode surface. Foxing system. This is the second topic. Foxing system. The purpose of foxing system is CRT is to force the electron beam to converge into a small sparks and travel in a straight line. Third, deflection system. The purpose of deflection system is not change the direction of electron beam for phosphor coated screen. The screen is coated with phosphorus crystal called phosphors. Various terms associated with CRT. First term, friends, pixel. A pixel may be defined as a smallest color spot that can be displayed on the screen. And B number, fluorescence. Fluorescence. It is the property of phosphor crystal that they glow when they are hit by a high energy electron beam. Next, friends, C. Phosphorescence. The phosphor crystals continue to glow even after electron beam is removed. D. Resolution. Different resolution. A screen resolution refers to the maximum number of points that can be displayed on CRT, a screen without overlapping. E number. Aspect ratio. It is defined as the ratio of horizontal points to the vertical points necessary to produce equal length line in both directions on the screen. Aspect ratio AR is equal to number of horizontal points by number of vertical points. Actions of CRT. When the cathode ray is heated, it emits plenty of electrons. These electrons pass through control grid on their way to a screen. The control grid influences the amount of current flows in a standard vacuum tubes. If negative potential on the control grid is high, fewer electrons will pass through it, and the electron beam on a striking the screen will produce a dim spotlight. As the two anodes are maintained at high positive potentials, therefore they produce a field such which acts an electrostatic lens to converge the electron beam at a point on the screen. This is the figure, friends. 01, 02, and then center 0. As the electron beam leaves the accelerating anode, if no voltage is applied to the deflection plates, the electron beam will produce a spot of light at the center of the screen. Thank you, friends. We meet in next video. This is the topic of cathode ray tube CRT. Thank you, friends.